All right, we're rolling. Hey, what's up? Sal here from SJ Cooks, and I got another 1 minute hot tip for you. Let's start up the timer. So, if you ever have to start up your chimney, you know you need a starter of some sort. These are the Weber cubes. They're very excellent to have, very convenient, very easy to use. However, the thing that I do not like about this is removing them from the foil. If you've experienced this, you know what I'm talking about. So one of the things that I've been doing is I've been taking these, popping them all at once, putting them into a resealable container, sealing it up, putting it away, and the next time I need a grill, simply pop the lid, put one of these starters in the chimney, and I'm ready to rock and roll. Now, if you don't have Weber cubes, a chimney, or lighter fluid, and you would like to start with charcoal, check out this next tip. Time are we at? Under a minute. See you on the next one.